Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another LEGO Polybag. And this one is Polybag 30369, and this is the City Beach Buggy. And I gotta tell you, one thing that kind of struck me as interesting when I first picked this up is this thing actually feels a little heavy. And I know it might sound weird considering it's a polybag, but it seems heavier than a lot of other polybags. Now, if you enjoyed this kind of video, please think about subscribing, because I am planning on doing a LEGO polybag build along like this one every day, one a day, for the foreseeable future. And also, I have done one a day every day for the past pretty good while. So anyway, if you like this kind of thing, we're over 150 of them. And there's a... Oh, for some reason I was having trouble finding the wheels, the hubcaps, I guess the wheels, the rims. That's it, the rims. Anyway, so yeah, if you're interested in this particular set, I've included links in the description where you can find it on Amazon as well as on Bricklink, and also where you can find the brick set description for this set if you're just interested in like the parts and that kind of thing. Now, I'm really curious about how this one is going to look, because like I said, it was like heavy almost. I mean, it was noticeably a weightier polybag, and maybe it's just like the combination of the tires and the pieces and all, but it felt kind of substantial. And let's see, got some legs. Got his legs right here, and his hair. So our surfer dude guy, I guess, needs a haircut maybe. And our surfer dude guy gets a surfboard, which is kind of cool. So, alright. So our surfer dude, has a surfboard, like so. Which is a nice touch. Alright, so let's put together his beach buggy. Let's slide this stuff over here, out of the way. So, yeah, I don't know. I suspect that's my first surfboard. I don't know. I don't remember having any surfboards from anything else. Anyway, interesting. Maybe it's just some of the pieces were heavier for this. I think there's like a minifig like surfer guy and from one of the minifig sets, but I don't think I have that one. So yeah, but yeah, I don't think I have the minifig, like the surfer minifig. I think that's my first surfer guy, the first surfer dude. So what do y'all think of the surfboard? While I'm thinking about it. I can't fit. There we go. The surfboard actually... That's interesting. Surfboard doesn't look too bad. I tell you one thing that I like about some of the weird pieces, like the surfboard. I'm curious to see what other stuff you can do with it. Like, I mean, it is a surfboard, I know, but I mean, like, what else can you get out of it? Can it be a, you know, a skid for a robot or something? Alright. So we got that, and that, and that. And this goes on the back. Like so. Or maybe on the front. Maybe that's going to be the front. Alright. So this goes here. This is going to be the front, I'm sure. That goes there. That goes here. And then another blue piece. Actually, this is like turquoise or something. And a steering wheel. And some light blue. Ooh. This goes on. Then the light blue piece. Like so. Alright. This is going on the back. And this is going on the front. This is a pretty cool build. I gotta say. There's a lot of little details in here. Like these. We got the headlights. Like so. And these are going to be headlights, I know. I know where we're headed with this. These are our headlights. And then we're going to have the grill and this for our like bumper. Like so. Make sure that's lined up right. Is that lined up right? Yeah, that's pretty good. And then we got these pieces here. Like that. This is a really cool looking little beach buggy. I think they did an excellent job with this one. Alright, this is cool. So we got that. Like so. And then we just pop on the wheels. Alright, this is a cool little beach buggy. Alright. That's neat looking. We had one extra piece. One of those little headlight pieces. I like the beach buggy a lot. That's neat looking. It definitely looks like a beach buggy. That's pretty cool. Alright. This definitely gets like a gold star for a Polybag set. Considering it's not, I don't think it's super expensive. So, yeah. There's a lot going on with this one. Anyway, let me know what you think. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.